Part two to yesterday's why you don't want a MacBook with a swollen battery. As you can see, I have a little older MacBook and swollen battery, there it is popping out of the trackpad. You definitely don't want that because then you can't use the trackpad. Not only that, but it's dangerous. Let me show you. And here you see it's popping up. There's just screws out of it already. I'm gonna unplug it from your board and I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take the screw out. And as you can see, as I take it out, it pops up. And then I'm going to take it out real carefully, and you see here the battery's so swollen that it's popping out of its casing. This is extremely dangerous because if there's any kind of defect in the casing, it could expand and just go on fire. So it's very dangerous to you personally, to your computer, plus a swollen battery will hurt your computer itself, the board. So if you have a swollen battery, come to the Mac Corner.